Good morning, student. In the last video, we have studied the nature of the root of a quadratic equation. After this, in your textbook, you have the next topic, the relation between roots of quadratic equation and the coefficient. This topic is omitted. This is for self-study. So, page number 46 and 47 is for self-study. And on page number 49, let's remember point number 1 is for self-study. Okay, this is not going to come in the exam. So your point, the page number 46 and 47 is omitted. Okay, so our next topic is to obtain a quadratic equation having given roots. So we are going to assume let alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation in variable x. Okay, so we have assumed that alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation in variable x. If it is a root, it means value of x is alpha and x is equals to beta. Shift this alpha over here, you will get x minus alpha. There is nothing, means equals to 0, and here x minus beta equals to 0. Again, x minus alpha into x minus beta is equals to 0. Now open the bracket, x into x minus beta minus alpha into x minus beta equals to 0. X into x is x square minus beta x minus alpha x minus plus alpha into beta equals to 0. You can shuffle this, you can write minus alpha x over here and minus beta x over here. X is common, so therefore your final answer is x square minus, take out minus x common. If you are going to remove the minus x, so you will get in the bracket alpha plus beta x, right? Now open the bracket, minus x into alpha is minus alpha x, minus plus minus into x is beta x. So here you will get x square minus in the bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. So this is in the form of quadratic equation, a square minus a square plus bx plus c. Clear? So this is how you are going to obtain the quadratic equation by using the roots. Clear? Now let's just solve the sum based on this. Alpha, middle term is alpha plus beta and the third term is alpha into beta. And alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. Now let's just solve the sum. Obtain the quadratic equation if the roots are -3 and -7. So we are going to solve this. We have to find the quadratic equation. Clear? So let alpha is equals to -3 and beta is equals to -7. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equals to -3 plus -7 plus minus you will get -3 -7, which is equals to -10. So your alpha plus beta is -10, and next we are going to find alpha into beta, which is equals to -3 into minus 7. Minus minus plus 7 3s are 21. So alpha into beta is 21. Clear? And quadratic equation, is x square minus the bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. So therefore x square minus, in the bracket you are going to write minus 10x plus 21 equals to 0. Open the bracket, minus minus plus, so your final answer is x square plus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0. So this is how you are going to use the roots to find the quadratic equation. I hope you all understood this. Now we are going to solve practice set 2.5. So your first question is activity, fill in the gaps. So you will get the notes later. So in the practice set 2.5, question number 3, a sub question of 3 of question number 1, that is activity. If alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation, find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So this is for self-study. This question is omitted. And in the last video, we have started the how to find the value of discriminant, right, and the nature of the roots. And question number 5 and 6 of practice set 2.5 is omitted. This is not going to come in the exam. This is for self-study. So question number 5 and 6 is omitted. Now we are going to solve the question number 7. Practice set 2.5. Question number 7. First one. 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equals to 0. In question number, where they have asked you, the root of each of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. So here roots are real and equal, right? Real and equal, we have to find the value of k. So in the nature of the root, we have started. See, when roots are real and equal, when your discriminant value means your delta, means your b square minus 4ac value is equals to 0, then your roots are real and equal, right? So how you are going to solve this one? Means your delta value is equals to 0 because roots are real and equal is already given in the question. So this is how you are going to solve the sum. Your a value is 3, your b is k, and your c is 12. Delta means your b square minus 4ac. Delta means discriminant, which is equals to k square minus 4 into 3 into 12. 4 3s are 12, 12 12s are 144, right? You will get k square minus 144. The roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. So therefore your delta is equals to 0. Delta is equals to 0 means your b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So therefore your k square minus 144 is equals to 0. Shift this over here, you will get k square is equals to 144. Now find the square root of, right? You can find the square root, or you can use the a square minus b square expansion, right? This is nothing but your what? K square minus 12 square. We know this expansion, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. equals to 0. Clear? So you will get k plus 12 and k minus 12 equals to 0. So therefore your k value is k plus 12 is equals to 0. So your k is minus 12 and your k minus 12 is equals to 0. So k value is 12. Right. So value of k is plus 12 and minus 12. Clear? And minus 12. Clear? So this is how you are going to solve the sum of practice set 2.5.